Hello and welcome back to the NFT Fundamentals course. In the previous lesson we discussed the ERC standards, and in this lesson we will discuss the history of NFTs and some of its applications. Before NFT came into existence, there was a concept called colored coin for the Bitcoin blockchain introduced by Manny Rosenfeld in 2012. The idea of colored coins was to describe a class of methods for representing and managing real-world assets on the blockchain for the proof of ownership of those assets. Similar to regular bitcoins, but with an added token element that determines their use, making them segregated and unique. This idea, however, could not be realized due to the limitations of Bitcoin blockchain, but we can say it did lay the foundation of experiments of NFTs that we see today. After this experiment, on May 3rd, 2014, digital artist Kevin McCoy minted the first known NFT, Quantum, on the Namecoin blockchain. Quantum is a digital image of pixeled octagon that hypnotically changes colors and pulsates in the manner of reminiscent of an octopus. With the introduction of the Ethereum blockchain, a new age of NFTs began. The Ethereum blockchain introduced a set of token standards that allowed the creation of tokens by developers, which we have discussed earlier. In between also, there was an attempt. Before Ethereum could gain its popularity over tokens, the counterparty platform, let's say Bitcoin 2.0, was established and gained ground as a platform that enabled the creation of digital assets. 2016 backed in the age of meme and saw the release of host of rare Peps NFTs on the counterparty platform. Following the success of rare Peps, the project called CryptoKitties and CryptoPunks were launched on Ethereum and gained popularity after the train of NFTs picked up the speed and developers started using them in gaming, metaverse, and digital assets marketplaces. Later, several projects made this possible like Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and OpenSea. So this was a brief history of NFT. Now let's talk about its use cases in different sectors. So far you might have understood that most common use case of NFT is related to the digital assets, right? NFTs can be used to represent the ownership of digital assets such as art, music, or video. The core idea is that NFTs can be used to certify that a certain digital asset is original and has been verified by the creator. This would help reduce piracy and ensure that creators are properly compensated for their work. One of the biggest problems in the world right now is fake food products like supplements and medicine. NFTs can help solve this by tracking and tracing food products. Imagine just scanning a QR code of nutritional supplement you bought online and seeing its entire journey from manufacturing to shipment. It's great, right? Another interesting use case for NFTs is loyalty points or rewards. For example, a company could issue NFTs that can be redeemed for discount or special offers. This would give customers an incentive to keep using the company's products or services. NFTs and real estate are made for each other. NFTs could be used to transfer the land deeds, provide proof of ownership, and even keep track of changes in the property value over time using time-stamped NFTs. The real estate industry is one of the most NFT-ready sectors. NFTs can be used in the real estate to simplify and speed up transactions, enable smart contract for properties, or even create decentralized home rental services, all while protecting sensitive data like credit card details. NFTs can also be used to represent ownership of physical assets. For example, a car company could issue NFT that represent the ownership of certain model of a car. The NFT would be stored on the blockchain and would be transferable to another owner if the car is sold. Again, in the case of government records, NFTs can be used to issue the certificates like birth certificate, education, and other certifications. Ownership of an IP can be distinguished, especially with the timestamp, the entire history of an IP. The NFT chain would be immutable, which means that the NFT owner could prove that they were the original creator of the piece of work at any point of time. Again, the next use will be in the gaming. It's like NFTs and the gaming industry are a match made in heaven. NFTs can be integrated into the gaming world by allowing NFT cross-platform playability. NFTs give game developers another way to expand their brand and create another revenue stream. While gamers are given more incentives to keep playing a game if they already own characters or items within it. There are numerous other use cases as well, but these are the most widely used. That's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, let's discuss how the NFT works and what is the technology stack underlying it. See you in the next lesson.